Welcome to this presentation on analyzing rice productivity in India using a fuzzy logic model based on soil quality parameters. This research was conducted by Rajiv Kumar Dolai et al. And published in 16th August 2025. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. India's rice productivity is constrained by complex, nonlinear interactions among soil parameters like pH, organic matter, moisture, and nutrient levels. Conventional yield prediction models often struggle with these nonlinearities and inherent uncertainties. This study introduces a fuzzy logic model that relaxes the assumption of linear relationships, offering improved accuracy by explicitly modeling these complex interactions. This approach provides a robust framework for handling imprecise agricultural data and expert knowledge. The fuzzy logic model is a fuzzy inference system implemented in MATLAB. It defines trapezoidal membership functions for four input variables: soil pH, organic matter, moisture, and nutrient levels, and one for the output, rice productivity. Membership functions were developed using empirical field data and expert knowledge, drawing from sources like the Soil Fertility Maps of India and the Soil Health Card portal. The system processes these inputs through rule bases to generate predictions, followed by defusification to obtain crisp output values. The model's predictions align closely with actual agricultural data across diverse Indian states. For West Bengal in 2019 to 2020, the model predicted 3,000 kg by ha against an actual 2,926 kg by ha. In Bihar, it predicted 2,190 kg by ha compared to an actual 2,182 kg by ha for the same period. For Assam, the prediction was 2,420 kg by hai versus an actual 2,176 kg by hai, and in Andhra Pradesh, 3,510 kg by hai versus 3,765 kg by hai. These validations shown in figures 7 through 10 confirm the model's robustness in varied soil conditions. Fuzzy surface analyses identify optimal productivity ranges, specifically pH levels of 5.0 to 7.5 and organic matter between 0.5% and 2.5%. Sensitivity analysis, detailed in the conclusion, indicates that soil pH and nutrient levels are the most influential determinants of rice yield. For example, a slight increase in Assam's soil pH from 4.8 to 5.25 elevated predicted yield from 2420 to 3000 kg by H. Organic matter, while important, demonstrates lower individual impact, suggesting its effect is amplified in combination with other factors. This model offers improved accuracy over conventional yield prediction models by capturing these complex, non-linear interactions. This fuzzy logic model serves as a decision support tool, enabling data-driven strategies for improving rice productivity and food security. It identifies leverage points for interventions such as optimized fertilization and efficient irrigation, tailored to regional needs. The model's strength lies in its ability to manage uncertainty and evaluate nonlinear effects, providing a more intelligent approach to rice cultivation. However, the authors note that comprehensive data collection from all diverse regions of India is not always practical, necessitating the use of averaged or representative data and assuming other factors are standard during validation.